Okay? Then now it has to go to the other side. This is what the students should see now. So it's still coming. Okay.
You're on YouTube.
Right. So now you are live on what? YouTube. So you can start your lessons and time is ticking. The goodness is, even if you've forgotten here to record, in this software, YouTube will record for you automatically. Okay? So it has started recording now. You don't need to panic over that. The moment you connect to YouTube, it will record and put that on your account. Okay. Now, how do your students now get to find, to say, where is Mr. Mambo teaching from? Okay? So now, you just tell them there is no issues to do with links and whatnot. Just tell them, okay, type your name, okay? That is my name, right? So you say live streaming at the end. So you go and search where is the latest video, it's here. Where it's written live now, they click there. And that where is the latest video, it's here. Where it's written live now, they click there. And that, okay, if you want an example of how I teach, where it's written, I show you and that, okay, if you want an example of how I teach, where it's written, I show you and that, okay, if you want an example of how I teach, where it's written, I show you and that, okay, if you want an example of how I teach, I show you okay, so in a video that you can click here. And then multiplied by the unit vector in this direction. So that is very, very important. Okay, now we will continue to try and redefine this. Okay, this is very simple. You enjoy your class, teach. So we come this way. You can be random. At that code. That's how simple.
Monday is math. Tuesday is chemistry.
The timetable. Tomorrow.
So Wednesday, so
No, we will be teaching on Friday.
Today is Tuesday. Monday. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
So what are we?
Over the timetable. Yes, I saw like 17 to 16 to 17 mathematics, just 1 hour in a week or what?
No, you have 2 hours on Friday as well.
Or 2 hours on Friday.
Divided by the upper. As it is the same. We have, so we are dividing 4 parts into the squared into 8.
The way we are teaching now is so So now
is a
we
constant,
find
the
that
volume
students-
charge density is a constant, 4 pi epsilon 0
Also be-
is
the
also a
goodness
constant,
discovered
so we
is
remove them
it moves
outside.
on its own.
That becomes
You've seen what it does that.
It follows the
becomes
It follows your
Ez, which
But
must
when
be
you are
equal
moving,
to
it's also
the integral moving from our definition of E. This is the volume density multiplied by the small volume, which is constant. So we remove them multiplied by R squared. So that, if we try to solve that integral, what we have is that this is a constant, the volume charge density is a constant, 4 pi epsilon 0 is also a constant, so we remove them outside. That becomes
I also know how to do this.
the volume charge density divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. We factor them out of the integral. Then from there, what we remain with is the V
So you
cosine
need
of
someone,
all
you
this
need someone
divided
that
by
needs
R squared. Then that will be our equation
And
1.
there'll be
We shall get back to that equation. Let's see how we can bring in the components. Because now we have to move now to the spherical coordinates.
Where? The timetable is simple. On each day, Monday, we have mathematics. We have 1 hour for tutorial. Mathematics, we have 2 lectures on Monday.
All right. So in spherical coordinates,
This
this is very important at this stage. You have to now
Tuesday, we have chemistry.
move from this
Basics, biology.
Cartesian plane, because what we are looking at now is the sphere, which is a volume. So we now need to move from this common Cartesian plane into spherical coordinates. So we have to take note of that. So what we are saying is that in spherical coordinates,
You seem to be lost. You've heard.
yes.
this volume, which we are calling V, is the same as R.
This. You have a question on this. Yes.
He said something like you can also record it on OBS software. So which pattern do you press there? Is it showing is reflecting
Which one?
on the OBS software? Is there anyone I'm supposed to
The,
press?
the obvious, the challenge with this one that we've gotten is a trial version. So we need to buy. So the one that we are using is a trial version. And that's the reason why we are pushing it to YouTube. So that you are able not to use your videos.
Okay.
Yes. But the moment we buy a license for this, it will show you where to do the recording. And then you go on. I hope this is simple.
As we get familiar with
It's all in muscle memory.
Which one?
the moment you use it once.
Yeah, because it shouldn't be a problem for us.
Okay, so
Any question?
this is for proof that one is teaching. Yeah.
Which one?
This one because
Proof that is my problem.
yeah, okay. Yeah,
It's
because
not your problem.
because there were simple ways to go online
Which simple way?
and just using my phone and then I can be in on my table and I'm teaching.
Teaching what now? Which they can see.
No, they
You
see.
teach the chemistry.
Yeah, I have a phone.
The Monday to Thursday. Since 17 hours, meaning you stop your tutorial at 17 hours on the dot. And
The bus will be there.
And as the bus will be that. So
I don't have a
as
problem with that. If you want, you can
push it to
bring
15
them
hours.
to 15 hours there's class.
Okay.
Because class is at 14 to 16. So if you want, bring them at 11 to 12.
Much better.
So if you want, because the first class is from 9 to 11. So you can have your tutorials from 11 to 12 every day. Because we need a consistent timetable.
Yes.
So what I need from you, the timetable team, do the whole timetable. and send to the students immediately.
Okay.
I've told you the times for the lectures, you have the times for the tutorials. Labs are not there. Good question.
Yes.
Any questions? There are no questions. I wait for you to see the teaching.
So it's biology.
Biology tomorrow.
Yes. So tomorrow you have to teach. I hope we have running tutorials, right? Or finished.
No, we have.
We still have some that are not finished, isn't it?
Yes.
So we can finish those as we are waiting for the new lecturers to produce the other tutorials. Okay. I think we are set. Though to me you seem you've not related.
We are friends. We are members.
Yeah, connectivity there.
Which one? When you finish here, what you do is first of all you need to log out. Okay? You need to log out from your channel on YouTube so that no one comes to use your channel.
Okay.
But it's only you who knows the password. Make sure the system does not
Save the
save the password. Okay? And then after that, you can come here and just close this. Say